Hi, it's Tommy and Steve from CTH here.
We hope you've been enjoying the recent CTH Spotlight films. We're very soon off to New Zealand and Dubai to hear from some of our CTH graduates about their experiences. But for now, we're very much in London because we're celebrating some really good news.
The recent MasterChef The Professionals winner is actually a CTH graduate.
Laurence Henry studied his CTH Level 4 Diploma in Culinary Arts at Ashburton's Chef Academy in Devon. So we're really happy that he's able to take some time to speak to us today, share his experiences of MasterChef, and also he might have some good advice for some of our CTH students around the world.
I first got into cooking at a really young age, probably about 3 or 4, cooking with my grandparents, baking cakes, and just cooking with my family every day. We travelled quite a lot as kids, places like the south of France, Europe, Seychelles, Maldives, so I think this kind of inspired my love of food. Studying my CTH qualification at Ashburton in Devon really helped me to prepare for life as a chef and therefore MasterChef, teaching me all the kind of basic fundamental skills. There's nothing that can quite prepare you for life as a chef and working in a kitchen, but it gave me all the key skills needed to progress quite fast. My favourite task in the competition was definitely the last cook-off. It was just the most comfortable I felt in the kitchen throughout the whole competition, and I really enjoyed myself during this cook. The most challenging task, without a doubt, was the chef's table. Giving myself a lot to do with the added pressure of cooking for 30 Michelin-star chefs. My life's become rather hectic since winning MasterChef. I haven't had a day off for about 3 months. I'm doing pop-ups with the other finalists at the moment, as well as working quite closely with a few brands, and I'm looking at opening my own restaurant in London now. If I could cook for anyone in the world, I'd still cook for my family, but get them all together and cook on a proper 10-course tasting menu. And I think it's something my grandparents have probably never experienced, but with my style of food, which is modern British kind of Asian fusion. So I'd be doing dishes like my signature XO glazed short rib. There'd be a menu kind of based along those themes. My advice to all the CTH students studying around the world is make the most of your time studying. Take all the knowledge and all the skills that you can, because it will help you a great deal in your career. Study hard and get your CTH.
So that's it. What a worthy winner Laurence is. Don't forget to check out the next CTH Spotlight films from New Zealand and Dubai. We'll see you soon.